Hey art friends, today we're drawing a funny glass of lemonade. And I hope you're excited to follow along with me. This is a really simple lesson where we just draw a few shapes to draw an ice cold lemonade and also add a funny face. So I hope you have your drawing supplies ready. We're using markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing the shape of our cup. I'm going to start here and draw a horizontal line going across the top of our paper or towards the top. Then we can draw the sides of the cup coming down, and we're also going to get closer towards the bottom. So we'll draw a diagonal line coming in and a diagonal line coming in the other direction, the same amount. And then down here at the bottom, we can connect those lines together too. There's our glass of lemonade, except we need to draw the straw. And let's draw it a diagonal line coming in like this. And I'm going to stop there. That's the level of the lemonade. And then we're also going to connect the top. Now let's also draw a slice of lemon right here on our cup. We're going to draw a big circle. That's all we're going to do for our glass of lemonade, except we need to add the liquid. We're going to switch to our yellow marker, and we're going to draw the same shape at the beginning. So let's first draw the line going across the top, just like we did for the glass. And then it's not going to go all the way to the side of our cup. So we'll leave a little space, and then we'll draw that diagonal line coming in towards the middle on both sides. And then we can connect the bottom too. All right, this next part, I'm going to fast forward, but I will color in this shape completely solid. You can pause the video for more time. Now that we have that colored in solid, let's color our lemon slice. We're going to first color a circle around the outside for the peel. Next, we're going to color the little wedges inside. First, we'll draw a triangle shape right here and then color it in. Upside down triangle. Yeah, and then we're going to draw another one next to it. Well, let's draw one right below it. I'm going to draw it right here, kind of connecting to the side of the glass. Oh, and we want it to get pretty close to the center also. Then we're going to draw another shape here. Let's draw a little thinner, so we can fit a couple more wedges in. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we kind of have this cross or plus shape with the triangles. Okay, and then we're going to fit another triangle in between each of those. So we can draw here, and then another one over here on this side. And well, this one's going to get really small. And then one more inside the cup. And that's a simple way to draw a lemon slice with just a circle and a yellow marker, or you could use something else like crayon or colored pencil. Oh, let's also use the yellow for stripes on our straw. I'm going to draw a diagonal stripe going down, then we'll skip and leave a little white, and draw another stripe, and we'll go all the way down to the top of the lemonade. Next, we're going to use a light blue to color in our glass. Now, last thing we need to add is a funny face. Let's draw a crazy one. I'm going to draw the mouth like this and draw it coming down and up. Then we could add teeth on the top and also the bottom. And you can change the funny face. You don't have to draw it exactly like mine. I'm drawing a big tongue, and then also the line on the back for the back of the mouth, and then we can color in the top and bottom below the tongue. Okay, and then we can add the eyes too. I'm gonna draw a big circle for the left and also a big circle for the right. And then we can do our little highlights and color in the big circle. If you have paint markers, acrylic paint markers, you can go back over and add white in the highlights and also for the teeth to make them brighter. You can also use pink for the tongue. These work really well on top of the markers or colored pencils, whatever you're using. Oh, and we need to add ice cubes. Let's draw them floating. We're going to use our white paint marker, a little squeaky. I'm going to draw a diamond shape right here, and then we can make it 3D. I'm going to draw 3 diagonal lines here, and then we can connect the bottom. There's one ice cube. Then let's add another one. I'm going to draw it here. We could draw it behind the mouth. This is a little trickier. And then I'm going to connect these. That's a bigger one. That's a bigger ice cube. And then let's add another one right here above this eye. Draw it coming off to the side this way. And if you want, you could add extra highlights to make the eyes extra shiny. And I always like adding a blue reflection on the bottom of the eyes. And then I'm gonna add a highlight on the top of the glass too. Now let's do one more thing. We're gonna add a shadow right below. And we did it, we finished drawing our funny lemonade. You could pause the video to add even more things. You could draw a background or maybe even draw yourself getting ready to take a sip. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and I hope you take extra time to add more things to your drawing. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.